Good day. In this demonstration, we will use the Falex system to show how the product Metaltec-1 works. The Falex system is used for testing oils and lubricants. It can be used to test any oil, any grease, or similar material. The test works as follows. A bearing sleeve rotates, and against it a hardened SKS bearing roller is clamped. By applying pressure to the bearing sleeve, material begins to wear away. We will now simulate an oil bath, using a fully synthetic, high-quality oil. The bearing is immersed in the oil bath. We can now begin applying pressure on the torque wrench, which shows us the load, and the moment when the bearing becomes overloaded. We can also observe the digital scale. As you can see, we reach a value of around 50 to 60 kilos per square millimeter and seizure occurs. Here we can clearly see a significant loss of material on the bearing roller. Notice the deep grooves created as the material is being removed. Now we will use Metaltec-1, which is added to oil or any lubricant. The oil serves as the applicator, allowing Metaltec-1 to bond to all metal surfaces. We apply pressure of around 50 to 60 to confirm that no seizure occurs. Then we increase the pressure further. We are now essentially at the end of the torque wrench scale. Let us have a look at the result. The bearing has polished itself, and no further material wear is taking place. Now we will rotate the roller to an unworn side and repeat the test with greater pressure. As you can see, when using Metaltec-1, the stressed material shows dramatically less wear, even under greater load. To show that Metaltec-1 does not rely on the oil and only uses it as a carrier, we now remove the oil tray. To demonstrate how Metaltec-1 bonds to metal, we wipe everything dry, clean the bearing roller, and continue the test at a load of 50. This protective layer is not indestructible, but you can clearly see the difference. So let us increase the load. This demonstrates how Metaltec-1 works.